On commentary today for the Sky Aces is aviation writer, podcaster, Angela Stevenson, and she'll step us through the manoeuvres of this amazing site. Now, for those of you who know aerobatics and you've seen many aerobatic displays, if you've not seen the Sky Aces before, their show is quite unique. The second pair on ground roll and take off now.
Watch for the knife edge pass.
Go again, I will not give in. I've got a reason to fight. Every day we choose, win or lose. This is the day we decide. Hey, every day when I wake.
As they move over the top of that loop there, you will see that they will be experiencing a number of changes. Which will be, it's also called a big formation from the phonetic alphabet. V for Victor. At the moment they're in echelon and plotting in. Call on the team display all over Australia, and they also display in Korea and China. Very big air shows in China. Formation aerobatics is a whole other level to solo aerobatics and a whole other level to formation flying. The easier it is for them to do this. That's one. There will be smoke, there will be noise. Watching the leader. They don't take their eyes off the leader. Occasionally they will look down to make sure that their temperature and pressure gauges are good, and then they will glance at that and then straight back at the leader. All operating as one with their machine and as one in formation. The second loop. Start formation. Keep watching Glenn Collins there in the orange. But also keep watching the big formation, 3-ship as it is now known. Stall turn at the other end there in the 3-ship. Bennett is a master at choreography, a master at the routine. Spitz Pro, barrel rolls around the inverted formation. 400 horsepower in the yellow pits, in Spitz Pro, and 200 horsepower each. Okay, there's a photo opportunity coming up, ladies and gentlemen. You will see the big formation in the centre. The three aircraft will come towards you, they will split and pyrotechnic. And trying to find each other so they can form up again, just like this, and miss each other. All Spitz Pro and the S111X have similar performance. As Paul begins sliding backwards, he's working very hard on the rudder, the aileron, to keep it as straight, vertical as he can for as long as he can.
Running in.
As he comes out of that, Glenn Collins will chase him.
Go. Roll. Inverted 45. Inverted 45 down. Pitch it around.
This is the most difficult manoeuvre, is the heart. To get this exactly right is incredibly difficult. Every manoeuvre is a huge amount of muscle memory. They practice and practice and practice. And as you see, practice makes perfect. Watch for this manoeuvre coming from your left. It is called the Concorde. You will see an aircraft go inverted shortly. And it is a nod to the Concorde of old. Starting to do their final sequence before landing. Paul will be taking as the number 2 and lands himself. Sky Aces is a particularly dynamic display, don't you agree, Tony?
It's contrast, it's remarkable. And we're about to see the Black Eagles there getting ready, but in the meantime, Paul's solo display.
Don't you think?
Absolutely.
Get the crowd hyped up as Paul moves off into the sky one more time to take the lift down. Quickly, if you get a chance, go over to see Paul in the Paul Bennett hangar, which is next to his truck. And you'll see that there's a little spider web on the side of the plane. It's called a sight gauge. It tells him whether he's 90 degrees, 45 degrees, or flat with the horizon. He's always looking at that. And from the Sky Aces, I think that deserves a huge round of applause as Paul puts that down. The Sky Aces, ladies and gentlemen, leading off now into the Black Eagles.
Angela Stevenson, pilot and aviation writer, thank you so much for that brilliant commentary.
You're welcome, Tony.
Thanks, Tony. Thank you, Angela. And congratulations to the Sky Aces team. Well, we're getting ready for some affectionately known as Boom and Zoom and the Republican...